Where is the best place to find a good Filipina partner? How long have you been single?
9.
9 years? I think you need a boyfriend soon. Hi everyone, I'm Lorie and welcome back to the Fuentes Family Channel. There's many scammers online, so we will ask Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, where to find a good Filipina partner. Let's find out and enjoy the interviews. What's your name and age?
And 21 years old.
Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Months?
Months.
Yes.
Okay. And there's many scammers online. So, in your opinion, where is the best place to find a good Filipina partner?
Here in Naga because I'm here.
So, in Naga, because you're here.
Yes.
Oh, so Anne is good. Good. Okay. Would you consider dating a foreigner?
Yes. Why not?
Are you looking for like a serious relationship at the moment?
Oh, yes.
Yes. Okay. May we know if you're like working or you're studying?
I'm working.
May we know what's your job?
Sa Batay Tindahan.
Oh, she's
Sari-sari store.
okay. Like a sales. What do you call these? She's I don't know how to say that in English, but she's taking care of a sari sari store. For those, I think some of you knew what sari sari store is. So she's the one who's taking care of that. What's your name and age?
My name is Donna, 29 years old, from Cebu.
She's from Cebu, but she's here in Bicol. Vacation?
Networking.
Networking for job, for work.
Work.
Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single, ate?
More than a years.
More than a year. Okay. Are you looking for like a serious relationship right now?
Ngayon po, hindi po kasi nag-focus po ako sa network ko right now. Pero dreams ko din naman na magkaroon ng lifetime partner.
Okay, so she's focusing on her job at the moment, but she's also dreaming of having a lifetime partner. Okay, so Ate Donna, here is the question. Where is the best place to find a good Filipina partner?
In the Philippines.
In the Philippines. Where in the Philippines?
Yung sa Cebu, madami din doong Filipina girl na ano talaga yung pagmamahal talaga sa mga, kahit foreigner man yan, iba yung pagmamahal talaga pag mga Bisaya din. Hindi ko naman yung inano yung mga ibang pero based on my experience doon sa amin, kasi madami nakaano ng foreigner doon, is maano talaga yung comment ng mga foreigner is iba yung pagmamahal daw pag Pinay, kasi maalaga yung mga Pinay sa mga ibang lahi.
Oh, so she said Cebu, Philippines, because she saw a lot of like couples, like Filipina and then foreigner from Cebu, and then Filipinos are very caring. That's why foreigners love Filipinas. So Cebu, Philippines. Would you consider dating a foreigner?
Maybe.
Maybe. What's your name and age?
Kinbo. 28.
Kimbo.
Kin.
Kin.
K-I-N.
That's very interesting name. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
9.
9 years? I think you need a boyfriend soon.
It's a sign.
This is a sign. Are you working?
Yes po.
May we know what's your job? If you don't mind.
Ano po, ngayon po ako sa tourism.
Tourism.
Pero po, pa kami, na-assign kami sa Kamaligan River Park sa Interance.
Is that like you're going to what do you call this, like if there's a tourist, you're the one who's gonna tour them like that?
Yes.
Beautiful. So who's interested, you can actually contact her. She's going to tour you around Bicol.
Oo.
Kamaligan?
Kamaligan River Park.
River Park.
Just near here in Naga.
Okay. There's many scammers online. So, where is the best place to find a good Filipino partner, in your opinion?
I think it's from province.
Province. Why province?
Because the culture, before culture of today, like sa nakaraan, mas okay yun kasi they have Maria Clara. Tapos, yung kumbaga, yung, yung mga pandiligaw noon na like harana, napupuntahan ka sa bahay. Hindi ngayon kasi yung iba nasa social media, dating app, ganun po.
So you're saying that province girls are better because they're also they have those kind of cultures up to now, or that's what you meant by your answer earlier.
Yes po.
Okay, so province girls because of the culture, like for example, the harana, like the suitor, you have to go to their house and then sing a song like that. What's your name po and age?
My name ma'am is Chel, just call me Chel, and 38 years old.
38 years old. You don't look your 38. You look so beautiful.
Grabe ka man, ma'am.
You look younger than your age. You're welcome. So, Mom Gel, right?
Chel.
Chel. Okay, Mom Chel, here is the question. Online there are so many scammers. So, in your opinion, where is the best place to find a good Filipina partner?
I think ma'am, just look, provinciana girl.
Look for a province girl.
Oh, province girl.
So, so the men should visit provinces, right?
Yes.
Why do you think province?
Because province is all girls in province is ma'am dito. Syempre mababait, mga totoo, hindi plastic.
Oh.
Syempre,
So,
sabi nga kaya sabi niyan nga, mga exotic.
exotic. So, mom says, province girls are exotic, they're kind, they're true. So, that's why you can find a good Filipina partner in the provinces. Province girl.
very, very hospitable. Mm.
Do you think, mom, Filipina makes the best wife?
Yes. So,
Why?
because Filipina is pag nai-in love talagang love niya, pinapatunayan, yun.
So for her, because Filipinas, if the Filipina loves him, they really show their love, right?
Yes, that's true.
How long have you been married, ma'am?
Almost 16 years.
16 years.
Mm.
Wow, and how many kids do you have?
5.
Do you want more? Do you want more?
That's enough.
That's enough. Okay. What's the secret of a successful and, long marriage?
Yung walang taguan sa sarili, tapos yung hindi laging nagmamahalan, hindi nag-aaway, yun, laging nag-iintindihan sa isa't isa.
No secrets, love each other, and the last one you said,
No lies.
no lies. What's your name and age?
Jilen Molina, 22 years old.
22.
Yes,
Okay,
po.
Jillian, here's the question. Where is the best place to find a good Filipina partner?
Syempre po, Naga City.
Naga City. Would you consider dating a foreigner, like in the future?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, anyway, thank you so much. Salamat.